Yo, people! What's up? It's YolyBoy, and I'm here with Juicy Talks. Yeah, we're here to talk about the song Adamawa, and talk about YolyBoy. Because when you hear YolyBoy, you already know it's the nigga sitting right here. The only YolyBoy in the world. Let's ride on. Adamawa, yeah, talking about YolyBoy, I think briefly I can say YolyBoy, that's my stage name. I'm a singer, I'm a rapper, songwriter, I'm a mixing and mastering engineer, and a whole lot of things in the industry, but these are my core strengths, you know what I'm saying? Most especially singer and rapper. And also, I can briefly say I started music way back then in 2013. That was way almost over a decade. Yeah, over a decade ago. And we've been pushing it. We're here, and today we're here with Juicy Talk. Shout out to you, bro. I feel you, bro. Thanks for inviting me too. Yeah, let's ride on. Yeah, talking about the song Adamawa. Adamawa, you already know, it's a song I sang for Adamawa State, which is the state I came from, the northeastern part of Nigeria. Though one of the baby states has ordained, but right now Adamawa is on fire, you know what I'm saying? We thank God for the great progress, the great infrastructural development, the agricultural development, and also a lot of things going on, educational standard improving, a lot of things happening in the state so far. So I feel we give God the glory for that. So I sang the song specifically for Adamawa State to celebrate my hometown, to celebrate where I came from, to celebrate where I grew up, and also it's a form of an introduction of who I am, you know what I'm saying? So people don't gotta ask a lot of questions like, who is this guy? Who is this flat dude? You know what I'm saying? Everybody's gotta know I'm from Adamawa State, and I just need to be iconic in my movement. It's part of the journey, and it's how I saw it. Try to play my own role as a star who is bringing this stardom home. It's like starting it from home. So I feel like it's like a preparatory mission that, okay, let me get the song out to show that, okay, I really care about my people. I really care about what I do. I really care about where I came from, and I'm proud of it, and I give God the glory. It's a blessing that I've been part of this particular journey of building Adamawa State, because as far as I'm concerned, YolyBoy is the hottest artist from the Northeast right now. You know what I'm saying, though? Well, actually, the Adamawa State music industry, I feel, is still upcoming. It's still coming up, because if you can look at everything in the whole country, we just have few states that are even fully into the music business. I just have the picture of taking Adamawa State entertainment industry to a height that nobody ever thought of. And I'm already on it. You can see facts on the table. You don't need to add no questions, and everything is clear to see. Like I've said it a lot of the time, that the dream is real and the journey is we're almost done. You get what I'm saying? We've started this all way back with a lot of dudes. Today, man, most of them have retired. Most of them have given up. Most of them have, I don't know what to say, they're nowhere to be found. Most of them are not in the music industry. I don't know, some got married, some just gave up and took up the journey, but I'm still here. I just took it on me that I'm gonna bring the chain home. I'm gonna bring the stardom home, People are gonna know that, yeah, it's another sound from somewhere. Like, okay, we also got something to share. We also have something to give out to the industry. And I feel at this point it's really something of joy. It's really something of celebration, because everything is beginning to take shape. You can see clearly that, okay, people are beginning to understand we have a lot of more sounds outside there, that it's not just what is coming out from the north. Now we're talking about real sound, a genre of music that is going to really make people feel wow. there's something to listen to. I feel so for now I'ma say it's still coming up, but I promise you it will soon be up. Not more coming up. It will just be up because YolyBoy is out and I'ma bring the chain home, you know what I'm saying? No, I didn't actually left. I kind of move out. You get what I'm saying? I'm still there. I have my team, I have my G's, I have my homies. They're pushing it up. I just have to take it up to the next level. I realize I've reached this point of being a local champion. When you've reached a peak of there's nothing bigger you can get outside there, and I just want to pick the cross. Nobody want to pick it. Like everybody's like, okay, I'm a king. They're busy fighting it. I said it on my song Cry. They're busy claiming crowns. People are be like, I'm the best. No, man, nobody is the best right now. We're trying to bring out the industry to a standard that the world is going to be like, whoa, some states called Adamawa state have something to offer in the industry. So I feel like nobody want to take the risks. Nobody want to take the cross and move out. So I did it. I kind of, okay, let me go out, fight for the boys, fight for the street, fight for the sound, fight for the future. And then when our children comes and our children come, and when our friends come around, they're going to be like, yeah, the boy, YolyBoy really left something, a legacy in the industry. He built something and left it. I don't want to be a star who just become a star and then left everything unfolded. You get what I'm saying? Like, it doesn't make no sense. If you're a star and your people didn't feel the impact of you, can you help me with that again? Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. If you're a star and your people don't feel the impact of you being a star, I feel like something is missing. You get what I'm saying? Like, your people need to feel that you're a star. They gotta feel they have a star from where they are. That's what I want. I want to be a legend with legacy, not just a big name. It's not what I'm after. I'm after legacies, treasures that are going to last and leave mark and help the younger generation to get somewhere they're going to start their career from, because once the door is open, a lot of people are going to troop in and have it easy, coming through than coming to break the wall. I'm trying to break the wall and put the door in there, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I feel like Lagos City, wow, is one of the amazing places I've ever been. I've traveled around Nigeria, a lot of states, did a lot of projects. But Lagos City is so much different, man. It's one of the amazing places I've ever been. And honestly, it hasn't been easy when I came in. I thank God though, now things are okay, things are beginning to take shape, and we're back in full time trying to see how we keep it heated, you know what I'm saying? Keep moving up, keep going high. But honestly, Lagos City is a great place to be. And I also sang a song, Lagos, the hustle money.
For Lagos we dey hustle money. We just dey hustle, no ground, one day hustle go pay.
It's a song based on what I see in Lagos, not really just a rocky dancehall song. So you can go also check it out. Lagos, the hustle money by YolyBoy, a very amazing song, and I think you're gonna like it. So it's a nice song, and honestly, we're still here and we're gonna push. I feel this is what I can say about Lagos. Yeah, man, I need to talk much about this because everybody knows, man. Like, it's Akon. Akon has been my strongest music inspiration. It's been my motivation. It's been who I looked up to since when I was a teenager. It's funny, growing up, Akon is the first artist I listened to and have that connection with. I feel he contributed a lot to the growth of the African music. He has done a lot of contribution also to the global industry, and as a black man who's doing it in the white zone, you know what I'm saying? Akon really passed through a lot. Everybody knows his story, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like Akon got that similar story with me, what I want to do, what he's done. A lot of my goals and mission is in line with some of the things I see Akon doing, you know what I'm saying? Though we're not so much having the same things, but I kind of like his personality. Very simple, very relevant, very clear, and very compassionate. He's really a nice person, So I can say Akon. And also I listen to Lil Wayne a lot, like when it comes to the hip hop. Lil Wayne, literally, Lil Wayne makes me start listening to hip hop. I'm used to listening to rap songs, But when Lil Wayne came in the picture of music, I was like, whoa, whoa, who's that guy? You know what I'm saying? And I got that moving and I started like, okay, developing hip hop flavor for my own music style. I can say Lil Wayne has to have some more influence when it comes to when I rap. If you listen to my rap, most especially, hey yo, you got feel that crispy Lil Wayne stuff and then you know what I'm saying, right? Yeah, I do listen to Rihanna. She is my best global female artist, I must say. And I really love her sound. I love how she put the sound together. I love her vocals, And coming down to the African zone, I feel I love Simi. I really love Simi a lot. Though I don't listen to a lot of her songs though, but I love her personality as a mom, who is doing it real in the game. Like, I really love the fact that she got the courage and she got things put together and she still moved to that height that she's supposed to reach. I think, I feel I really love and respect Simi. I really rock with Tiwa Savage sound, Though I don't link up with her personality a lot, but I like her sound, the music she makes. It's really amazing. And also, I feel like, okay, this one is gonna be a little more somehow controversial. I really rock with Tyler recently. She just came out, but that girl is really hitting the nail hard. I feel like no one ever got that pop blend to the African sound. My best song. Okay, I must say my best song I think I must say is Blow. Blow, that's my best single. I really love the message in the song because it's a personal song. It's so real to me. It's so personal that I just love Blow, talking about Blow. I love Cry because of the hip hop stuff, you know what I'm saying? I really speeded a lot of things off my mind on Cry. It makes me feel like, oh, I love Cry too. I love Hey Ya. I love Hey Ya. I love Lagos, the Hustle Money. I feel it's a song that dancehall, kind of Afro dancehall thing. I love a lot of my songs, but I feel I love Blow the most. I love Blow the most. Well, I feel I can just say to all the musicians, all the artists, be whatever music you're making, it doesn't matter. Music is music, it connects. So the thing is that to all the artists and musicians in Adamawa State, I feel I'm just trying to say, learn to support each other. You people are back there at home. I've been seeing a lot of things happening. I've been hearing a lot of things, but I choose not to say no shit about it. But you people need to learn how to love each other, support each other, work together. It's not going to work until you people can walk. You got to, when the right hand wash the left hand, then the left hand washes the right hand. It's a proverb right there. Then all hands are going to be right. If the left hand washes the right hand, the right hand washes the left hand, all hands will go and be clean. So I feel like if you people can work together, a lot can happen out there. And I just want to say to the industry, that should go to the government. I really applaud the governor, Omar Fintiri. I've been seeing he's been doing a lot of things in the music industry. Like even the yearly shows, I've seen a lot of things coming up. The Adamawa State, shows has been going on. And I heard the government have some that they really contributed to that. So personally, I really applaud the governor on that. Yeah, I have that for you. The governor is really getting it right, and I feel no one has ever nailed it right the way he did. And most of all, I must say, I'm a lover of the female gender. I love seeing women being part of everything. For him to pick the Professor Ferrauta as his deputy governor, it makes me love him more. I feel like it's a sign that he knows what he's doing, and it's a sign that okay, women are beginning to be heard. So honestly, and for the development also, we really need some attention in the music industry because there are a lot of things that need to be done. But at the meantime, I feel he's nailing the right things to do, and he really got it on point. And I pray he's going to always keep bringing up new stuff in the music industry over there. To my people, Adamawa State people, I love you all, and I want you to know that we out here trying to make it happen. We didn't leave you people. It's not as if we've left. We just have to come down and make sure everything is going well right here. You know what I'm saying? So I just want everybody to know that YolyBoy is coming back, and I'm coming back with the crown very soon. Everything is going to showcase, and everybody also know that yeah, we in this for real, and we got it. So everybody should have their fingers crossed. At the meantime, this song is dedicated to you people, and nobody is gonna listen to that like more than the way you should. You know, you can have it on your playlist. Listen to it. Go tell your mama, tell your papa, and tell people around you that YolyBoy sang a song name, and he titled the track Adamawa. Everybody go listen to the song. That's the only support you can give. Share it to friends, share it to family. You know what I'm saying, right? Yeah, so that's what I feel I can say to Adamawa people, and keep making Adamawa still better.